How you can start paying your debt off in 2023. 2023 just started, and so did your way to financial freedom. If you have great plans for 2023, but debt is on your way, this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss some key ideas for paying off debt. Please let us know in your comments if you find them useful or if you have other ideas you would like to share. One of the common questions we hear every day amongst new investors is, how do I start paying debt? So here are 5 steps you should follow to start as soon as possible. Step 1. List all your debts. Write down on a piece of paper every debt you currently have, including balances, interest rate, and minimum payment required. This first step is vital, as it will allow you to understand the financial situation as a whole better. Step 2. Download the last 3 months of bank statements. This second step is eye-opening, believe me, as you suddenly realize how you are spending money, and it will help you take better decisions. List down every transaction or create a spreadsheet to categorize monthly spending. Step 3. Create a budget spreadsheet. Once you complete the previous steps, make sure you create a budget sheet that includes the following: income, bills and subscriptions, monthly expenses, travel, groceries, gas, debt minimum payment. While doing so, identify those subscriptions you are not using or free trials you forgot to cancel. Your goal is to know what money is left for overpayments and savings. Step 4. Make a plan to cover the future. Establish an emergency fund for the future, so you don't have to rely much on credit cards or bank loans. It will also help with your motivation to cover emergencies and stay on track. Step 5. Find your debt payoff methods. There are 2 common ways to pay debt off. Debt snowball consists of starting with the lowest value debt first. Pay the smallest value first while making minimum payments on the rest. This is great for quick wins. Once the first debt is paid, move to the next one until everything is cleared. Debt avalanche. Start with the highest interest rate debts while making the minimum payments on the rest. It will take longer to get the first win, but you'll pay less over time. Step 6. Track your debt payoff journey. For this, you can create a dashboard to keep yourself motivated with the progress, milestones, and mostly importantly, seeing that balance drop every month. If you need additional help, seek professional help to accelerate your journey. Let's summarize the 6 steps to pay off the debt in 2023. List all your debts. Determine your monthly spending. Create a budget spreadsheet. Create an emergency fund. Find a debt payment method that fits you. I hope you find this information helpful. Please like this video and follow our channel for more finance tips. Remember, you control your finances, so press that pedal and speed up. Thanks for watching.